How to set up Zelle with Huntington Bank. If you'd like to set up Zelle with Huntington Bank, you may follow up these steps. First of all, you need to be enrolled through the Huntington mobile application. If you have not enrolled yet, you can basically follow up the process. You can open up the app and navigate and follow up the process to get enrolled. So just go ahead and follow the process. Once that is done, you can basically open the app and log in using your credentials. After that is done, you can navigate over to the Pay and Transfer section. Go to the Pay and Transfer tab or the Payments tab, and then locate and tap on Send Money with Zelle option. Just go ahead and do so, and then you can basically choose whether to enroll with your email address or US phone number and follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. And then you will be receiving a one-time verification code. You can enter it up, and once enrolled, you can basically start sending and receiving money through Zelle application. And that's it. So you can ensure that the email address or mobile number you use is one on the file with the Huntington Bank, and Zelle is only available for personal checking accounts at Huntington. You can only send money to individuals who have a bank account in the US and are enrolled in Zelle. If you are already enrolled with Zelle at another bank, you will need to switch your enrollment to Huntington. So this is how you set up Zelle with Huntington Bank. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.